welcome back to my channel. And today I was winning the first place in the presentation contest in 2024. So I really hope everyone support me for this beautiful page, and I got the first place. Thank you so much. If any of you have been watching my video traditions of around the world, and you could see me that I'm speaking for that. And actually, I was so thankful for everyone that's watching my video. Also, I got this $500 just for learning, so it's very good. And I hope that I'm thank you for all of my family support too. So my present was a baby 3, very cute, and we got like the rabbit, the dinosaur, the pig, the fox, the cat, the wolf, the elephant, the panda, and the secret one. I think it's a deer. So I have unboxing it first because I was too excited. So now I'm just gonna unbox this again for you to see. So I already click it all, and I also open the bag. So sorry. So now I'm just gonna open it. It's time for some ASMR. But actually, it's not ASMR. Okay, so now let me just open it, and let's see the baby 3 first, then the card. Oh my goodness, you guys, a pig! And we got this little pinky tail with like the baby 3, I don't know, label, I guess. And also, cute eyes and just looking at you. And say good night. And also, cute, and it is pink. I love pink. Pink is actually my favorite color. And also, there's a pig on her. A little pig, she's wearing a pig costume. Just gonna put her here, and then check out the card. So the card said it's a pig. So all in the box, they say the pig is like this, but inside much more cute. And it's different of the label, and also about that. So we also have these clothes that we should put some like, I don't know, it's like robe, and just put it on, and you can wear it as like, you can wear it everywhere. And also you can have this beautiful cup. So thank you for all your support in every video that I made, just the whole thing. Why I made this all channel, it's just to teach English and also inspire people, like Barbie's vlog. So I did watch Barbie, and she also made a vlog that inspires people, and that is so much to me. So I actually did make a vlog to just inspire you. Again, the most thing that I like to inspire is toy, because I'm really into toys. So I love like inspire people by unboxing toys and things. Actually, I did make a Barbie review, like a Barbie review video, but actually I didn't post it because it was too loud. The bowl was just clanging together because we need to prepare for our dinner. So thank you very much for all your support to have this winning the first place today. I hope you could go to the Epic Center, which is an amazing center. It's so good to learn at there, because you can learn grammar, writing, everything you need, even speaking, and you could it's very cheap, and you could go there and still learn the perfect thing. It's I think I would put Epic quality more than, I don't think that maybe ELA it's just too expensive for me, and also a lot of others are just kind of too expensive for me. But if you think it's good, just try. If you think ELA is good, yeah, maybe it's too. Every center in this world could be good, because it's just about the price. Maybe I think it's too expensive, but maybe you think it's expensive. You can got lots of grammar and everything. So bye.